Question 5, a very simple request to find the value of the height here. Right angle triangle, so it's soccer TOA. So we've got a hypotenuse and we've got an adjacent. And the relationship between those two elements of a right angle triangle are linked by cos. So that we can say that cos 53 degrees must be equal to the adjacent, which is x over 14.5. And therefore, x is equal to 14.5 multiplied by the cos of 53 degrees. Out with the calculator, and you get an answer of x is equal to. So therefore, x is equal to 3 significant figures, means the cutoff will be here. And given that 631, the bit we're going to chop off, is greater than 500, in this case, this digit must go up to 3. So x is equal to 8.73, and that is to 3 significant figures. And that's your answer.